The dance, 32 counts,
4 walls,
low intermediate. Weight on the left. Section 1. Rock right back and look back. Recover, 3/4 turn, half back, quarter side. Cross side, rock right back. Recover, half turn, quarter back, quarter side facing 9 into left basic side, close, cross. Section 2. 3 slow sways. Sway right, left, right. Total 3/4 run around with walks. Each step making 1/8 turn. First step from 10:30. 1/8 run, run, run. 1/8 walk, walk. 1/8 forward, quarter cross. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 3, right basic, side, close, cross. Total making 1.5 turn. Quarter back, facing 3. Half forward, half back. Quarter side, facing 6 with arabesque. Cross rock, deep down. Recover with sweep. Sailor step, behind side. Section 4. Finish the sailor step, 1/8 forward. Quarter diamond fall away. Cross 1/8 side, 1/8 back. 1/8 behind side, forward, facing 9. Quick step, half. 4 rock, recover, 2 back, right, left. And start again. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Whole dance count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and wall 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Wall 3, 8 counts restart with step change. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, touch on 8, restart.